Hi guys, this is Jackie from techjackie.com and welcome you to another video on SEO. First of all, if you're brand new to this channel, make sure to press the subscribe button down below so whenever I release a new SEO video like this, you'll get notified. For today's video, this is the fifth part of my YouTube series, that is how I rank one of my clients' brand new website, taking it from zero or scratch all the way up to the first page of Google for its desired keywords. So if you haven't watched the first four parts yet, make sure to check them out first. I'll leave the link in the description below. So for this part, for this video, there's really nothing much that I want to talk about, because as I mentioned in the previous part, that for this month, this second month of the clients, we'll be mostly focusing on the link building, right? So so far we've done with the link building, we've done with everything for this month, and I'm waiting for to kind of report the progress to the clients on this Sunday, right? So for today's video, I'm just gonna show you the results, right? The progress that we have done so far with the websites, right? The rankings, the traffic, and all those stuff. So without further ado, let's jump right to my computer screen and I'll show you all everything. Guys, so this is the progress, right? I've been going through the Search Console performance, the Google Analytics, and a couple of small stuffs there, right? That that we have done so far. So first off, let's start off with the Search Console, right? So this, I'm going to show you the rankings, right? The traffic and the performance of the websites, like comparing it from the last 28 days to the previous 28 days, right? So like this is the second month, right, of the client's SEO campaign. So I'm going to compare to you, what this month compared to the last month. So the previous 28 days, as you can see, they had like 18 clicks, right, from Google search, from organic results, and for the last 28 days they had 26 clicks, right? So 8 clicks improved. And the impressions, you have to see the impressions. So the impressions has improved a lot, right? We had like 2.68k in the previous 28 days. In the last 28 days, or in this month, we had 7.94k, right? So means we are ranking for more keywords, right? Like almost 6k more, the number of keywords, right? So as you can see here, and then the average positions, right, we decreased a little bit, but that's because we rank for more keywords, right? So we of course the average position has to go have to go up, but then overall we still managed to keep it less than the previous month, so that's great, right? And if I scroll down, right, and I can show you like a couple, like the keywords, right, like a big jump. As you can see, like this is one of our main keywords, right? Canopy cleaning Melbourne. As you can see, in the last 28 days, 92.3. In the previous 28 days, sorry, 92.3. In the last 20 days, 42.6, right? So these are the average positions, right? Like currently this keyword is ranking on the third page now, so it's about 20 something, right? 20 something, but this is like an average for over the the 28 days period. So as you can see here, like improvements 49.7, right? Improvement in the rankings. And a couple of keywords, like for instance, this one, right, it used to be like 126.3, now 66.5, right? This is also another our main keyword, so minus 59.8, right? A big jump here, as you can see, right? So if I sort here, and if I expand this further, you'll see that we have a couple of big jumps, like for instance on 199 up to 97.4, right? So almost like 100 position jumps, right? Improves, right? And then we rank for more keyword, of course, as you can see, like here, right? Canopy cleaning cost Melbourne used to be 88, now it's 25.9, so jump of minus 62.1 here. And like as you can see, like a big jump, right? Big huge improvement, like 30 positions, 50 positions. So overall, as you can see, like the keywords have improved a lot, right? We are ranking for more keywords, and the keyword improvement, the ranking is also a lot as well, as you can see. Now coming to the Google Analytics, right? So I'll show you like the overall traffic, right? Not just from Google, but also from other sources, like some of the directories and the social profiles, right? Like from the social media. So as you can see, like this is the comparison, from the last 30 days to the previous 30 days, right? So means this month compared to the previous month campaign, right? So as you can see, like from social media, we had like a decrease, right? Like previous means like January 20th to February 18, we had 20 people, right? 20 users coming from social media, but this month only 12, right? So there's a decrease of 40% there. But like social media is not a big deal, right? Because our main focus is on Google, right? It's on organic ranking. So for the referral, right, like coming from various directories and as well as other websites, as you can see, increased like 275%, right? In the previous 30 days, we had just 4 users coming from referral traffic, and this month we had 15 users, right? So this came from such places such as Yelp, right, and other local directories. And this is the main focus, right? The organic search, right? As you can see, like in the previous section, previous month, right, we got only 18 people, right, 18 users coming from organic search, but in this month we had 41 users, right? So as you can see, 127.78% increase in organic traffic, right? So this is a good improvement, right? This means that our like we are going in the right directions, right? So it's a huge improvement. As you can see, in only 1 month period, we could able to improve up to almost 150%, right? So that's a great improvement. As well as the direct traffic, right? 16.92% improved, like from the previous month, right? As you can see. So overall, is an improvement, right? In fact, it's a huge improvement. As you can see, like month over month, we are improving, and like from the next month, right, the third month, I like definitely is gonna improve more, right? Especially from the organic traffic that we are improving in the keyword ranking as well, right? So definitely it is gonna improve a lot, right? And then let me kind of show you like just a few places where we got backlinks, right? So in the previous part, right, the fourth part of this video, I showed you the full process of our backlinks, like how we prospect, how we build links and all those stuff. So make sure to check the fourth part out, right? So this is the kind of links like that we kind of got, like from, for instance, from this website, right? Very good website, very like super relevant website, like related to home improvement and cleanings, right? Because this client belongs to the cleaning niche, right? He runs a cleaning service company. So this one of the place where we got the link from, as well as this place, right? Like full editorial links, right, from guest posts. So as you can see, very high quality website, looks real and legit, right? And besides that, we also created like we added two more service, right? Two more service to the clients, to the Melbourne locations, right? So as I mentioned in the in the beginning of this series, that the client wants to target 3 locations, right? Melbourne, Adelaide and Brisbane, and the first focus will be in Melbourne, right? So in Melbourne we added two more services, right? Initially we had canopy cleaning, we had office cleaning and end of list cleaning. Now we added kitchen exhaust cleaning and commercial kitchen cleaning, right? So canopy cleaning, kitchen exhaust cleaning and commercial kitchen cleaning, these 3 services, they are like relevant to each other, right? So and we also make sure that they are internal linked to each other. So this kind of forms the relevance, topical relevance of the service, right? So hopefully this will helps us rank better as well, right? Because like when Google looks at, suppose if Google looks at this service, right? So Google looks at this service and then it can see that we internal link, right? As you can see, we internal link to our canopy cleaning, to our end of lease, right? To all the different services that are related, right? So to each other. Like for instance, this one is also internal linked, right, to, as you can see here, to kitchen exhaust cleaning, to canopy cleaning, to office, right? So these are internal linked with each other, right? So this forms the relevance, right, as you can see here. And this is like, as like a hub page, right? So from this page, can get access to different services. And this all belongs to the cleaning service, right? So this all helps build the relevance about the website, right, as to what type of service we actually serve. So in the long run, this will help us rank better, right, for our like main services, something like that. So that's pretty much it, right? And there's really nothing much, right, like except for, as I mentioned earlier, that this month we were just focusing on link building. And if you want the full tutorial of how we actually build links, make sure check out the fourth part of this series, right, the previous part. So that will get the full idea, right? Like as I mentioned in the previous part, that we in this month we were just going to focus on building 5 links. We have already built all those 5 links, right? So we got all of them guest posts, right, for all those 5 links. So that's done, right? Like for this month campaign is over. And that's all for it, right? Like if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And if you have any questions, make sure you ask them in the comment section down below as well. And that's all for it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.